Hi there. Welcome to another episode of Stump Knocker Garage. In this episode I'm going to be showing how I replace the electric engine heater assembly with a brass, quarter-inch brass plug. I'm not going to be using that electric heater for the block assembly anymore, so you have to cover that hole in the engine block. Here it is. Thank you. This is the actual assembly. On another video I showed how it was assembled onto the actual vehicle. So as I removed all this, one of these hoses went into the engine. So I got a square head plug. It's basically brass fitting, quarter-inch, and at this point I'm going to be putting it in the engine block. That's where one of the hoses went into the block, right there. A little bit of Teflon tape, make sure it holds it from any leaks. I'm going to tighten it now. So that shows a little bit of how to plug the engine block when removing the electric heater for the engine block in colder climates. This is a 55 Chevy pickup truck, all original. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you can. Thank you.